My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik sir. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the significance of modal auxiliary verbs in our spoken and written English. Modal auxiliary verbs not only help the main verbs, but also they modify the main verbs in expressing different actions. In the previous classes, we have discussed very clearly in connection with the multiple uses of modal auxiliary verb shall, will and can. In this segment we are going to discuss about the importance of the use of may in our sentences. How? Let's see. This is unit 17 of the verb series, which is meant for basic to advanced level of students. The topic of today's discussion is the use of may. Point 1. Formal permission. Yes, in the case of formal permission, we use may. What do you mean formal permission? Formal permission means whenever we ask or give or grant permission to a distantly related person or a stranger, that is what we call formal permission. Okay, in this case may is generally used. Let's see how. Here we have some examples. Sorrows. May I ask you a question, sir? Here Sorrows is asking permission of his teacher in order to ask him a question. Teacher replies positively, yes, you may. It means teacher here grants permission that you may ask any question. Okay, yes, this is the way how we use may for asking permission and granting permission or giving permission. Now come to the next example. You may not enter without my permission. Here the speaker doesn't allow somebody to enter into his house or room without his permission. May I invite a friend to the party too? This is also asking permission. Okay, yes, this is the way how we use may in the case of formal permission. Okay, yes. Now come to the second point. More possibility in present or future. In such case also we use may whenever we guess or predict something which may happen or may not. Whenever there is more possibility, in that case we use may. But whenever less possibility, then might or could, we will discuss subsequently. Okay, let's see in examples. It may rain tonight. Here the speaker is expressing more possibility of raining tonight. Another example, mother may be in the kitchen at present. Here the speaker expresses more possibility of the existence or presence of a mother in the kitchen at present. The next example, you may have left the key in the library. It means here the speaker says that you may have left the key in the library. You are searching here for nothing. It indicates the past action, that is more possibility of action. She may have forgotten about the meeting. This is also indicating more possibility of past action, forgetting about the meeting. Okay, these are the various ways how we use may in order to express more possibility of action in future or present or past. Okay, yes. Now come to the next idea. Expression of wishes and hopes. In order to express our wishes or hopes, we usually take the help of modal auxiliary verb may. Yes, how? Now see in examples, may God shower the flowers of blessings on your life path. It means I pray God that God may shower the flowers of blessings on your life path. May your words be true. In Hindi we say, Tere muh mein ghee shakkar. It means whatever you are saying may turn into true. Okay, may you both have a long and happy life together. We usually express such type of wishes for the newly married couple. Means you may both enjoy a long and a happy conjugal life together. This is the blessing of the speaker. Next, may all your dreams come true. Here, the speaker expresses that whatever you dream may turn into true in future. This is the wish of the speaker. Okay, next, may his soul rest in peace. Usually such type of wish is expressed whenever somebody has already passed away, and for that departed soul we wish may his soul rest in peace. This is a very noble wish for the soul of a departed person. Point 4. Formal offer. At the time of expressing offer formally, it means to the persons, those who are not closely related to us, or for the persons, those who are distantly related to us. In that case, we can offer them something with the help of may. How? You see in examples, may I help you? Here the speaker expresses his offer to somebody who is distantly related to him. May I offer you a cup of coffee? Yes, we can offer even a stranger or a person who is not closely related to us. This is a courtesy. Next, another. May I carry that bag for you? This is your humble behavior. Whenever you feel that the person is not in a position to carry such heavy bags alone, he may be a stranger, we can extend our hand of cooperation by saying, may I carry that bag for you? These are very noble ways how we use may in our spoken and written English. With this, I conclude this segment. This is really very interesting factor. Hope you must have enjoyed this segment also. Go through the video from the beginning to the end. Try to understand the different rules and the examples I have explained, and just try to apply in your day-to-day life so that you can enjoy at the time of speaking and writing properly. See you in the next segment with another modal auxiliary verb, that is should. Till then, goodbye.